Hello students, welcome to RD Chemistry. Let us the questions. The question number 1. Which of the following is the correct order of field strength of ligands in spectrochemical series? They are given halogens, water and cyanido. Okay. In case of halogens, fluorido ligand is a stronger ligand compared to chlorido, compared to bromido, compared to iodido. Okay. Charge density of fluoride is very high. Small atom charge density is very high. Between water and cyanido, water is a weaker ligand compared to cyanido. Cyanido is a stronger ligand. And the strongest ligand in the spectrochemical series is the carbon monoxide. That is a carbonyl ligand. So put them together. The answer is option number 1. Okay, right? Question number 2. Which of the following complex ion has highest paramagnetism? Paramagnetism is because of the unpaired electrons that are present. Okay. Large number of unpaired electron, larger is the paramagnetic character. So can be calculated using the mu is equal to square root of n into n plus 2 in terms of Bohr magneton. As the unpaired number electron n value increases, paramagnetism also increases. Let us check now. Okay. Remember, water is a weak ligand. Okay. It is a weak ligand. Now we'll have to find out how many unpaired electrons are there in each cases. Okay. Iron, atomic number is 26. Okay. In this complex, we remove water. Iron is plus 3 state. So we have got iron 26 orgon configuration followed by 3d6 and 4s2. Therefore, iron plus 3 will have 3d 3d5 and 4s0, correct? So we have got d orbitals altogether 5 number, right? So we put them together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correct? So n is equal to 5. Remember, in case of d orbitals, the d orbitals can have maximum of 5 unpaired electron. If the d6 configuration electron pairing take place, n is equal to 4. So remember, n is equal to 5, max number of unpaired electron. For others, we need not solve. So therefore, answer is the first one. Question number 3. Match the examples in given column 1 with hybridization shape of the compounds in the given column 2 and mark the appropriate choices. Okay. Now, octahedral, there should be 6 ligands. Correct? Coordination number is equal to 6 ligand. Therefore, D. Can you see D here? D. Cyanido 6 in number. Right? So, for that, D, Roman number 1. And see the first example, A. AG is connected to two amine ligands. Whenever two amine ligands are there, okay, there can be only one possibility here among the given option, linear shape. So it should be sp hybridized. It should be sp hybridized. Got it? A, Roman number 3, sp and linear. Correct? Now there are B and C. Coordination number is 4. Ligands are 4 now in both the cases. This we have studied in the NCERT syllabus itself. Correct? If there is a cyanido, 4 cyanido with a nickel complex, it is a dsp2 square planar. Okay? So therefore B, Roman number 2, dsp2 square planar. Okay? CO4 ligands, it can be the square planar or it can be tetrahedral. In case of NiCO4, okay, so we are not going to solve, we did not study the syllabus directly. You can remember like this is a tetrahedral now. Okay, it is a Roman number 4. So therefore 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1. That is the answer is option number 2. Okay, clear? Question number 4. Due to interaction with the ligands, d orbitals of metal ions split as 5 types of d orbitals split into two categories, 3 and 2 orbitals. If there are 3d orbital, it is known as the T2G set, which is involving dxy, dyz, and dzx. And the 2d orbitals are known as the EG, which involves dx square minus y square and dz square. Okay, so the answer is option number 3, T2G EG set, right? Question number 5. Which of the following complex will not be colored? No color. If there is no color, number of unpaired electrons should be equal to 0. The chromium shows variable oxidation state. Vanadium shows variable oxidation state. Remember, scandium shows only +3 oxidation state. There are no variable oxidation state. Nickel can show variable oxidation state. So we'll go with the option number 3. Okay, scandium. What is the weak ligand? Scandium +3 state. Scandium, titanium, vanadium. Scandium 21 atomic number. So orgone configuration followed by 3d1 and 4s2. If we remove water molecule here, scandium will be +3 state. Okay, therefore orgone configuration followed by remove the 2 electrons of the outermost shell. Okay, so I have to remove one more 3d0. Therefore there are no unpaired electrons. So it is a colorless. So the answer is option number 3. Got it? Question number 6. Which of the following organometallic compound is sigma and pi bonded complex? See all these examples of the complex compounds, right? Coordinate compounds. The ligand always donate the electron pair, lone pair electron to the metal to form the coordinate bond. Correct? Now there is one more possibility. This metal can donate its electron back to the ligand. Correct? That is known as the back bonding. Back bonding. If there is a back bonding, then the first bond formed is known as sigma bond, other bond is called as the pi bond. This is possible only when the type of the ligand, one of the ligand could be carbonyl ligand. Carbonyl ligand. So carbonyl ligand is there in option number 3. Correct? Therefore, third one is the answer. Question number 7. CH3MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide. This is known as the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is the example of the organometallic compound. Organo, carbon, metallic, metal. Okay. So metal carbon direct bond is there in option number 2. So it is a carbon metal. Okay. Therefore, carbon is from methyl CH3 directly bonded to the magnesium. Okay. And then there is a bromine. So this is organometallic group. Option number 2. Question number 8. Among the following complexes, okay, first one is the aqua, water is the ligand. Next comes cyanido. Next comes C2O4, oxalato. And then there is a chlorido ligand. Water is a monodentate, unidentate. Cyanido, isocyanide is a unidentate. Chlorido is a unidentate. Whereas the oxalato, COO minus, donate electron pair. Two electron pairs are donated simultaneously to the same metal atom. So it is a didentate ligand. Whenever there is a didentate ligand, they always form chelate. Okay, chelates. So it's a chelating agent. And if they are forming the ring-like structures with the metal, then they are the stable complexes. Therefore, answer is option number 3. Right? Question number 9. Match the following. Estimation hardness is done using EDTA. Okay, remember direct. Okay, EDTA. It is also known as the hexadentate ligand. So it is a polydentate ligand. Polydentate ligand. Detection and estimation of nickel generally done using a dimethyl glycol, DMG. Okay, dimethyl glycol. That is the option number 3. Treatment of cancer is the cisplatin. That is the option number 1. Remaining is the electroplating. Electroplating done using potassium dicyanoargentate. That is the option number 4. So we'll go for 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. That is the option number 2. Right? 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, right? Question number 10. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Here incorrect regarding the importance of coordination compounds in biological system. Vitamin B12, they are saying that it contains cobalt. Correct. Hemoglobin contains iron. That is also correct. Okay. Chlorophyll, okay, it's found in the green pigments of plants. It does not contain zinc, but it contains magnesium. Okay. Therefore, incorrect statement is option number 3. Fine. Thank you, student. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.